In today's video, I am going to teach you how to quickly sync Google Sheets and Microsoft Excel spreadsheets automatically. To get started, open your web browser and go to Google Drive. Make sure you are signed into the Google account where you want this file to live. Google Drive is the hub where you can store your Excel file and then convert it into a Google Sheets version that works smoothly online. Once you are in Google Drive, look toward the top left corner of the page and click the New button. This is where you will create or add content to your drive. From the menu that appears, select File Upload. Your computer will open a file picker window. Now locate the Excel spreadsheet you want to work with. It should be an XZXX file. Select the file, then confirm the upload. You will typically see an upload indicator while Google Drive brings the file in. After the upload finishes, find the file in your drive list. If you just uploaded it, it may be near the top in your recent files. Double-click the Excel file to open it. Google will display it in a spreadsheet view, which lets you review the content and confirm that everything looks correct. Next, go to the File menu at the top of the spreadsheet. Click File to open the drop-down options. In that menu, select Save as Google Sheets. This is the key action because it creates a true Google Sheets version of your spreadsheet, rather than leaving it as an Excel file stored in Drive. The converted Google Sheets file will open and be fully compatible with Google Sheets features, including easier editing and sharing. A helpful tip is to pay attention to the file name after conversion. Google Drive usually creates a new file, so you may see both the original Excel upload and the new Google Sheets version in your drive. Keeping them organized in the same folder can make them easier to find later. And that is all there is to it.